Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Monday.com for event management. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open up your go-to browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you've logged into your account, you will be on your dashboard. To get started with our event management setup, let's focus on the left-hand side of your dashboard. So go ahead and give that plus icon a click. After clicking, you'll notice several options. Go to the Board option. Now you should see the option, Start with a Template. Templates in Monday.com are pre-designed structures that help you kickstart your projects quicker. With the template gallery now open, you'll find yourself with a plethora of options. Here, you'll want to go to the search bar and type in Event Management. This action filters the templates to show you only those relevant to our purpose today. Among the search results, you'll see the Event Management template. Let's go ahead and click on Event Management. The moment you click, you will see an overview of the template. The next step is to click on Use Template. By doing so, you're officially kicking off your event management project on Monday.com. The platform will now create a new board based on the Event Management template, providing you with a pre-structured workspace ready to be customized for your specific event. And that's it. So that is how you can use Monday.com for event management. So that's all for this video. Thanks.